Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an in-depth video going over what I now call my Sinful blonde hair technique. If you want to see what that's all about, then keep watching. So today I'm not going to be using Joico Blonde Life. I'm going to be trying out and testing the brand new Goldwell Oxycur 9+ levels of lift with bonder inside. It's been out for quite some time. I got my hands on it finally. You guys know I used to love Oxycur. I used it for a good better half of my career, but I am testing it out today for the first time, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. But today's video, the point of it all is called Sinful Blonde Technique. That's right. Why do I call it that, and what exactly is it? So we all know in school, when we go to hair school, they teach us about highlighting. The times have changed. They have to update the schools. I'm telling everybody this. I do truly believe it. Jessie from Jay-Z Styles has her own school. It's the start of a new era with schools, and I hope that everybody starts upping their curriculum and getting more modern, if that makes sense. I'm tired of the perm rods. That's not what we do realistically behind the chair, and it's either getting people not excited enough about it, where they don't even want to, end up using their license, or they don't even end up wanting to go after they take the tour. So what separates my blondes, and I've always done this, is in school they always tell you to take a section, you split off the top, and then you weave off the top, so you have a subsection. I don't do that. Never do that. I did it a couple times, didn't like it. So what I do 95% of the time, well now 100%, is I go in and I take my small, thin section, and whatever is left out of my stitch is all that's going to be dropped out. There's no subsection at all. That's what my Sinful technique basically is. Back to back to back to back. And what this allows is for it to almost look like it's growing out of the head. So I have now the Sinful Blonde half, the Sinful Blonde full, the Sinful Blonde partial, and I added Sinful Brunette as well as a Sinful Lived In Teasy Light, and now I recently this week added the Sinful Copper. All it is back to back to back to back foils, a lot of work, but it gives such a certain look. It literally looks like it's growing out of the head. So now I never was one for big chunky thick sections or highlights. And that's just not my style. I like them really small, and I've always created kind of my own, like almost like a mix of a slice with a baby light. I do it very unique. I spin the comb like I'm almost drawing spiraling circles or O's. And it really gives me almost like a slice, but it still has a stitch. It's hard to explain, but you guys who've been watching me and OG Brett Ryan supporters know I've always done this. So now I'm just making it into more of my own name and thing. Clients like it better when they go on your booking link and they see these names. It explains it better. They get more interested in it. It's not just full, half, partial anymore. It's exciting. They get excited for it. And I am known for this look, this style. People can tell the difference of my work and others. So this is just kind of what I do.
You know that I want to be good for you. You know that I want to be good for you. I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad. Oh, can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you, I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see? That I'm just being me. Sometimes we're just colliding, and we keep on fighting. But we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love.
Okay, so you guys know, if you're an OG supporter as well, for the last, 4 years of my career and how long I've been doing YouTube, I always do the baby light stitch. It's very special to me. It's very unique. It's almost like I said before many times, a slice, but it's still a stitch because I'm not doing it traditionally up and down. I'm actually spinning it in spiraling circles, and it makes it look almost like a mix of a slice and then a mix of a baby fine baby light. So I am aware that not every single person in the world wants to have it that fine. Some clients like a little bit more dimension. So for those people, which are like 10% of the ones that come in my door, I do a more traditional stitch. It's more like a normal person's baby light. That's not too chunky, but it's still up and down motion and more traditional. And it allows for more dimension to fall through the hair in the base area especially. But it also, at the same time, doesn't have a real subsection. It's just whatever's left out of the weave, which allows that beautiful dimension to flow through. But it's still back to back to back to back, which still makes it look like it's growing out of the head, and it still gives it that sinful look. You're probably wondering where the name Sinful came from. A long time ago, a good friend of mine once said, a couple years back, "Wow, your work literally looks really sinful." And I'm like, "Why would you say that?" And he said, because it literally looks like it's going against nature, and it literally is growing out of the head. So that's where the name Sinful comes from, and I love it.
Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do. But sometimes I need what's best for me. Sometimes I need what's best. Baby, can't you see? Can be there when you weak. No, no, no. Yes, I want you to be here for me. Of course I want you to be here. Don't disappear. Sometimes I need you strong for me. Sometimes I need you strong when I'm on my knees. Oh, baby, please. Love, I know it's there, and even if we don't agree, I know you care, cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. You don't question my love, you know it's there, and even if we don't agree, you know I care, cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. It's you and me, unconditional.
Because she's lifting already, and we'll let her sit for like 30 minutes or so, and then we will do the toner, and it's just global. We never ever root tone her at all. So today in this video, you're seeing me try the Oxycur on video for the first time. You're seeing me do no root toner, which I haven't done in so long. Yeah, so just keep watching.
Love, you and me, unconditional love. Sometimes we just colliding, and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, cause we got unconditional love. You know that I wanna be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you, I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, oh can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you, I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see that I'm just being me? Sometimes we just colliding, and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, cause we got unconditional love. Damn, I don't wanna be mad on you. No, I don't wanna be mad on things you do. But sometimes I need what's best for me. sometimes I need what's best. Baby, can't you see? Can be there when you weak.
Okay, so now I pulled out the millions of foils she had in her head, and I'm going in with Amika's Hydro Rush shampoo, and then I'm going to follow it up with the Finola Vegan edition of the No Yellow. I like to do a good pre-tone on her. As I mentioned earlier, I do believe we do not do a root toner on her at all. I maybe have 2 or 3 clients total in my whole career that we actually leave their root out. We do not touch it. With her, she has a lot of gray, a lot of white. The whole point is blending it with that. So it's very simple. We do the foil work, and then we just do a good shampoo, a pre-tone. And then I'm gonna go in with Goldwell Colorance 10V, 10BS, equal parts. And we're gonna give her a good old tone in.
I don't question your love, I know it's there, and even if we don't agree, I know you care, cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. You don't question my love, you know it's there, and even if we don't agree, you know I care, cause baby, you and me, we meant to be. It's you and me, unconditional love. You and me, unconditional love. Sometimes we just colliding, and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, cause we got unconditional love.
Guys, this is her hair raw after the toner. Look at that rawness at the root. No root tap, shadow, or smudge. It looks gorgeous. So we're gonna blow dry her and I'll show you the final results. Ah, girl. Wow, you guys, look at that. That is just baby light foil work, no root toner, and 10B, 10BS. Look at that. Oh my God. Yeah, look at underneath. We haven't done the underneath like a full in a while, but look at the comparison, you guys. Look at the difference. Like, that's not even bad. But look how much whiter that is. Unreal. And she comes like every couple months, and it's healthy. Baby lights for white blonde. That's the key, that's the trick. Nobody gets it. It grows in nice, and it works so well with her gray. Like, beautiful. All right, guys, there you have it. Another one's now in the history books. I hope you guys understand my Sinful technique. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think. Leave video ideas down there as well. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now, guys. Mwah.
It's you and me, unconditional love.